Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to present this to you. Give it a try, see how you do. Remember proper posture, proper breathing, and leave us a comment. Let us know how it's going. This exercise is the sitting heel raise. What you're going to do is have a chair with no arms, and you're going to grab your towel roll. If you don't have one or you don't know how to make one, watch our video entitled How to Make Your Towel Roll. Pretty catchy. What you're going to do is take your towel roll, put it between your knees. Always remember proper posture, proper breathing. The posture is with your knees and your ankles lined up here, nice vertically. And also you want your ankles below your knees. So we don't want them out here and we don't want them all the way back here. You just want them nice and straight. You can even take the towel out, look down, make sure they're aligned, then put the towel in. What you're going to do is you're going to search for, using your fingers, your hip flexors. They're all the way in here, right where the top of the leg bone, the femur, comes into the hip joint. And what you're going to do is from here, you're going to blow. Remember, proper breathing is in through the nose, hold and blow out. So you're going to breathe in and blow. And I'm pulling from the muscles where my fingers are. I'm not using my leg muscles or my ankles to lift my heels off the ground. So you're going to blow and come down. And it's completely normal if one leg is coming up at a different time and going down at a different time than the other. Completely normal. If you watch, I'm going to do it. And most likely, mine are going to not be the same too. So then you come down and you're blowing and coming up. And then coming down. And I notice my left leg is coming down a little quicker. So we're going to try to even those out. So we're going to try to come down, and pulling it down, and that's a little bit better. And you'll feel the muscles eventually. You may have to do 20 to 30 of these to be able to feel those muscles engage. They're all the way in here at the very, very top, in the crease of your leg. Press in, feel it. Those are your hip flexors. That's what we're trying to engage. So give them a shot. These are the sitting heel raises. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that exercise. Also, check out these videos over here.